Welcome back to another sports massage therapy education video. Today we're going to be looking at the Piriformis Test. It's a way that we can look at whether the piriformis is tight. So we're kind of staying on that theme of sciatica this week, purely because this is one of the muscles. If you've looked at the previous video, which I will link above, you'll notice that if the piriformis is tight, it can actually cause sciatic-like symptoms, but it's not always the case. It could just be the client's got a tight piriformis, no other kind of real resulting issues other than maybe that external rotation is limited. So we're going to do this by getting the client to bring up both of their feet for me to 90 degrees. And then all I want you to do is just let them drop to the side and just let them relax. What you would be looking for is if your client can't get to this 45 degrees, so let's just say they do it and it stops about here, that would indicate a tight piriformis. So we need at least 45 degrees to show that that is a healthy piriformis muscle. Like I say, anything less than that would tell you that that muscle is tight, at which point you would then obviously want to go in using those bony landmarks, pinpoint that piriformis and do some release work on there. And that is a wrap on another video. But before you go, did you know that 99% of you aren't actually subscribed to the channel? If you are enjoying the content and you want to continue learning more, please consider subscribing and don't forget to like and comment any videos you want to see in the future. And as always, I will see you in the next one.